Welcome back guys, what I've got here today are the very famous squishy toys. Now I've seen these slow rising toys pretty much in every store and online. They come in different shapes and sizes, whether it's fruits, vegetables, animals or even your own superhero. Manufacturers are literally making any object out of what I believe is synthetic material. Now these toys can also be used as a stress reliever. Whether it's for the kids or adults, the squishy toys can also be found online and they normally cost only a few pounds each. Now I've tried squeezing and scrunching it all up, but amazingly it seems to come back to its original shape. This actually reminds me of the same materials used in memory foam mattress. The material is super tough. You need to get a good grip of it and stretch it to actually tear it apart. Let's take a closer look at the material. Now on Google it states it's a material called polyurethane, which is basically foam that contains air bubbles, and they seem to have added a pleasant scent too. Overall guys, it's a cool toy to have. It's one of the next big cool toys in town which everyone is going crazy about. Have fun and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.